Yeah, now good morning. This year the talk show area Bible. So if you don't know what, if you don't know us, if you don't know this morning we are now. I really don't know if you are lavish. I will have you to be at to wait on bottom over. And then now this I don't give advice. This advice as we are the talk show. Umiere if see say when these two people they quarrel, it get one thing where they made mistake. When me, I not forget. When I remember during this quarrel, the speech where each other used for each other, and I want to give the advice. You know why? They say, wait till you see, it not go blind you. As we hear the talk show where they talk the truth, and the fear to tell the fuck young. The old man, I read a Bible, I stand for the truth. During this crisis between Enogi and Edumofin, during that time, the Godfather and Godson, we see many things will happen. Why they pass this message out so? You know, a lot of people forget. But a lot of people, they watch, where not they forget. Where they keep those things, take good morning, Lilia, Akugo. Where they look something, go come out. When people behave childish, you tell they say they behave childish. When people behave mumu, you tell they say they behave mumu. When people behave foolish, you tell they say they behave foolishly. When people behave oswo, you tell they say they behave oswo. When people behave wise, you tell they say they behave wise. When people behave mature, you tell they say they behave mature. When people act like intellectual, you tell they say they act like intellectual. Why they talk this thing today? When people behave, say they lack knowledge, wisdom, let you tell they say una lack knowledge, wisdom. When people come and say they get wisdom, they go understand it, don't talk what you let them say una get wisdom, get knowledge, because wait una talk. Why they bring this thing come out today? Una forget when this issue come out, Enogi and social media president, when people they talk made this case resolve. Social media. When people talk clear, people can't say, this one say anybody will go talk peaceful, and everybody will go talk peaceful, this one swear, this one swear. I'll go to Enogi first before I do nothing. Enogi forget saying swear one swear. Say nobody goes anybody when they do that way go say make it two of them settle is swear for the person. And himself swear for himself. Now, the swear where these two people swear, where no get swear, where I want to let you understand, where I know where they go. One I don't understand, so this one swear, but the swear, no get no return the swear. You know, all boy. You know when people are boy, no when you're boy. They not going to understand where now you know matter now you know matter or sebigbo no you know where is venegbo or sebigbo do a man wa me when they kre ado awe mi apa bio ado atawe emi no ma pa of yo we my send ebo this people my send ebo ne no get here o na settle here but my send here Ebonyo do vio video. Where then walaji and as this Enogi come at all they reconcile, which is not bad, it's good thing. Will you come mad? You never return those courses. You come mad. You now say una me. What about the course one as well? Make una come, but okay, you go come and return the course. Make the course not affect you. Then have boto. Ebona you know man vena oriwegbe ebona gboma. The cause when you use your mouth swear na the key. Make people understand this thing. And not everybody try make them settle that time. Okay, this one so no, this one so no. We see everything. But at the end, you swear. Who say make una call, wey go call you say make you rest for this part and you swear for the person, you swear anybody come out, you swear straight can never be your girlfriend, you make a curse, you swear for this thing. Now, as you can't swear those swear when you swear that day, and these curses, you never return those curses. And as you go for peace talk, you go stand during that peace talk, good morning, my son, you go say, I return these curses, so that make the curse, you no return am before the peace. As you no return am, you dey pack curses upon yourself. You no understand this, yo. Edo wagima ame weba as we settle. You make a curse, you make a declaration, you make a curse, and you swear this curse. Say if you say make you say you no return the curse. You no return that curse, and the peace is done. And that night, yesterday, you supposed to return. The curse was not returned. As far as that curse no return, my brother, if like say person they use his leg, he hand they dig grave, put himself. You go return the curse so that the curse go come up for your body. Say, I can't return her in that way. When he said that, when he won on her, you return the curses. Without you not return that curses, my dear brother, you dey place curse upon yourself. I need to tell you this clearly. That curse, you need to revise it and return it. Because you place these curses, and you will place on people who go call you, say, remember, don't not forget. Now wait till you place the curse and you said it. And you say you not go green. You are for the video. Obo we are Jenny Jasper at Obo we are my sister. So as far as say you Enoge no return that curse. You act like a baby without returning the curse, and you are placing the curse on yourself. And which is wrong. And people where they make peace with you now, they don't tell you say Enoge, Ezona, or Eke nu returnable nu you nueve. I'll give you this advice, because you be my brother. I must advise you. You must return that curse with the video. You did not return the curse. And you start, you make place. Who are you cursing? You the place called. Okay? And the video the internet where you take place the curse. So you never return curse. You say you make which my brother, you put yourself or danger yourself without returning that curse. So return that curse. Obasoge O Collins. You will need to go out and say Ebonitie way. When he said when Godfather, good morning, unity, love. He said Woku. So you go return that curses and then peace go there. So you understand? Enoge, those curses you need to return them. Without you not return those curses, my dear brother. Nobody there when you they swear, and I swear they affect you. You see different swear when person they use my swear. He get time the school come they mature. You come they mature. Sorry. Oh yeah, go and make mama. Go to parlor. Oh yeah, okay, good boy. I close it up. So you see this thing. So my people, why they bring this point come out? Everybody they happy, but now they happy for their death. When I not happy, say as peace they say make Enoge do one thing, make it return the curse. Then Enoge will return curse. Enoge never return curse, and he say father, he get wife, he use him as swear, he no return curse. Nobody advise Enoge say the curse when you swear that day, return these curses, and it was not done. And people are celebrating. You are celebrating for his. Are you celebrating for his death? Are you celebrating for curse to be upon Enoge? Enoge, please, you should go and record your curse. Only Mathieu akpav yoe. Oma akpad of yoe. Without umari vice, only ukpav yoe. So it is very, very, we need to say the truth. Everybody they talk, they say, hey, but when I don't see the danger, the thing was on. Thank you, Obasogie, the colleagues. I'm doing a no telling the good thing to go and return those curses. So those curses where you swear for yourself, go and return those curses. So my dear, the day when you swear that curse for video, may you get crown witches and wizards there. There are wicked people who they put accept him. There are people where they fly in the night, go put say yes, it shall be so. There are people where sit down, you go say yes, it shall be, as he talk and God don't ordain her from heaven. He said there is power in the tongue. The tongue has power. The tongue can save. The tongue can kill. The tongue can lead you to grave. The tongue can lead you to prison. There is power in the tongue. The moment you speak the words out from your mouth, and it's in the Bible, and God in heaven, we confirm the word, because you are spoken from the bottom of your heart, the mouth speaketh, and this word came out from your mouth, from the bottom of your heart, even though if it was during great chances, when God was annoyed, he placed a curse on the fig tree, he condemned the fig tree. Now you place a curse on yourself, and you place a curse on people that will say you should make peace, and now you are unable to revise the curse. You came out to say there peace. My dear brother, no peace. Una never make peace. Make una return their curse. Now when you return the curse no gain, when you swear for yourself, now that no say peace don't reign. So you make God, you swear for yourself. Nobody goes, I know if I scream, I settle with social media president. If I say me, I settle, may so and something happen. And you swear, anybody want call you for this video, may may want call me that, because come tell you, maybe you swear for them. My dear brother, you need to be wise. You need to stand as a man and say, before I make this peace, I want to return my curse I placed with my mouth. That is why anything I do, I come and say, if I curse, I return the curse. Before I say anything. But you never revise and return the curses. And now you come back, you went there, you made peace. You need to revise the curse. I must tell you the truth. My dear brother, the truth need to be said. Umana you where return ebo nu very ebo ya dege, my dear brother. You are yours. Yes. Umami nu. On you pavio, because you need to come out and return those curses. Ebo you no for your benefit. Ena tell na mawena. Utiebo. Una was an ebo nu my return Uwebu azemo so dege. Eni ka dege. Ebo nu revise who are return a body there, and you make a peace. And only social media president, you have a good one. Unda mana, who ya do me in. Iman tama bogi ya waiting ya waiting at doleboji. Uda menu ya dona. I be a babo. O damata mudaji. So I need to stand. When Enoke said this thing, thank you, they write this word. Yes, thank you. He said, may I read that word? He said, Enoke need to revise those courses. Now they talk. Enoke say, even if his dead father return back, he will never settle with Eddie Murphy because he was enjoying stockfish and bushmeat. We stockfish and bushmeat. It don't make me laugh this morning. But I come out this morning, I don't talk the truth. A curse is placed by a no-gear. You place a curse, and those curses you never return out. Waiting I can't talk so more than not be saying I play to you. Now fat, now they talk so. A no-gear, you need to do what? Return those what? Curse. Because if you don't return the curse, my brother, you just engage yourself into a problem. You engage your life, your family, you put them for waiting they don't expect. Because now they tell you, say, may you return those curse. Because now very bad thing. When you they make peace, you go say, my one make peace so during that process, I return those curses. The curse will not kill me. It will not kill my generation. It will not affect my children. It will not affect my wife. And I return those curses I place my mouth. And I return the curses I place on those people that will make peace, that will call me to for settlement. You return those curses. You did not return the curse. And you said you have come. My brother, I want to talk about when we are returning curses in it. Which kind of nonsense word be that? You use your mouth. You know what tell me. You write if for your benefit in that time we now. Oma we always say no ya mi ogogo. Eya tie we ni abi ye keni o tuma we my brother return the body now anyway we video publicly at time I want him at pa bio e. O ma return emi nu pa ovio e. Oni emi ami oni wo ni ologo ni ajeri yeke. O saneku we jeri yeke, o saneku we mi olo, saneku we mi wu. So for that repeat, uladian, buwebo biabo, the social media, udo ladian we. Today, I return those courses so when me abeku, uya settle no my returnable, who return nika omie, na zemo so mie, no biabo omie. Now mo bobo we ya mie. No bana me mi ni ya mi who you we return the body my brother de na febo gboma ara febo no e ko alu o ra mi o ra lo mi da onu wo ya ta o ma ta you onu e na ta ma me nu ta ni o eke nu return okay, you go and return the cost you said with your mouth. Return the curse and let peace reign, my brother. I just tell you. And that thing now, when people don't understand, no, they only still know the quarrel. Everybody quarrel, everybody settle. They say the greatest thing in his life is the art of forgiveness. Yes, the art of forgiveness is one good thing. But forgiveness, I cannot forgive when I see somebody want to kill me and near and lie. Okay, and these two people see swear for back. Make una not forget, say these people see carry each other and they go do something for back. So all those things, they need to swear for back. They need to return all. You people need to return those courses. Social media president, why return a year? And I was said to do ya gbagba koko wanyo kugbe o ekoria amagba so as your level we are be here to touch area bible ido ibude nu waiva ibude ni do ye nu waiva na kebo nu watie nu wala me ezon wala me muame waiva wai ladian why we send a bonity and no go and no go send a bonity and a being and a written a dumofi why send a bon. Why ya pavio only matia pavio also so men were I going women were now. It was women were now where is it a prophet? When so I was men when I say something reasonable to some people, I will just be laughing. Okay, umewa na gwa boya wa so mewa. Okay, umewa use mi pa ewe e ma ni pa bi o iya do pa bi o na. Sagu me pa bi o awo sagu me pa bi o I can return me ni e pa bi o when we na ti ebo alomi I want to give this advice to everybody. Presenter and now to a social media president, Edimofi Dausa. Social media president. I watched your video yesterday. Even when you no get talk, he shows one word there. He said now, as soon as I don't say to you, see forgive everybody and do this thing, you say no. No. Social media president, Edimofi Dausa. If you want to act as a leader, as a social media president, you go say you forgive other people and you go stop to scandalize other people's name. And you go stop. Because I see when no get talk to you yesterday as wala issue. Oh, you may call your why I call. Excuse me, sorry. Oh, sorry, okay, close my door, sorry. Porter, see. Sorry, now I wish you were papa. Call. Papa, okay, Papa, no, yeah, go, oh, yeah. Where are you, go, no check, quick. Close my door for me. So, what thing are they talk about? So, social media president. Then you are way peace in India. Wa way peace. You get peace, you go no peace. Alalobo meti on here. The movie cannot say forgive all presenter. He not forgive Papa Wala. That na kekebu. A social media president, you not go feel say you forgive presenter, you not forgive Papa Wala. Hey, Ani Magba, uya do tosho ogunana. As I hear Bible, Oni ni metie epise wayo tie epise lalobo, epise go, epise fia many dis gwa mana. E me tioni e. I tioni epise. Peace la lobo. Peace fiame. Ani fiame la lobo. Peace. I was happy to sleep peace, but I was weary. And then I don't have social media everywhere. Won't forgive everyone. You forgive everyone. Ma golege mi no go to na. O ma ro to tezona. Menu ye dota. Ima munu yunuta. Ima mwem yunuta ita we maroto tezo ya nosunu. Why who settle you where you forgive one person automatically you might forgive who am I forgive you again my head away the ma clear and then matter way again you as the social media president when man at your peace to forgive anybody automatically you are not acting as the president. Automatically you are not qualified to be a president. For you to be sentimental, to select the people you want to forgive and the people you don't want to forgive. Because some part, you have ilalo bonwe. No, ya wenyo odolevo. Odolevo mudia ya dolo. Odolevo mudia we no wama. Ane wawe meri ama ne ama ya ne wawe ma odolevo. Ono na magi odolevo. Then me ala kan na bi amate o mate we ni ladi adogun. Iladi ado ya odolevo no go aro. So we are where odolevo ni we are who as the social media president. Who way I make peace for everybody. Who will make peace for everybody and let peace reign. I forgive this, I forgive Oma because and you go nowhere. Oma mudayiye kewe edumofi forgive onona. No, when you no one. That who when you know why who ya wo dolebo who when I forgive you iyabo we Monica iyabo we o ewu wala evinu and magabege mi no buno sunu be ba ni be social media ni ma we ni manana ma emi le dadore ya riabe ma emi le dadore ya fidon ma emi le dadore ya we mi abeku e but o won ma ge ma ni bugun o man ge ma ni bugwa hun that way iya moa o man ge ma ni bugwa because iya mi la lobo o man ge ma ni bugwa because na do gbian o we are here wo jolebo umudia nu ya gun arebo me iya mi emi dan iwe ni mi ere mi na ma de yo ni do bi obo o si de imo bo we ada social media wa mi na iwe ni do alu e uye do ari ya babo na that way no yawo ya ere we ga we adole doju we asi no say we asi bi edo ya kipe we ga ya bo pa we abo ya you understand so now agage emi bu no sunu during this process emi bu no sunu ni maya mienge ezoni no sunu me emi no si ezoni no kwani no na do leya unde me mwe eru wala do gwa be platform me no mala gwa maya dere mi no sunu but omi marishe na where we awo delero na uni uwo delero uwe iyable everybody ne ifo give ya oni audio na miege ba me mai so gwe me iya fi ame ya fi go me o ifo give ya no me bio boye mi dani ari ababo iwuye do tosto imi mi da ni gbe ni mi ewe mi na ma dawo ota ole ọmọ ani no be ri la lo bonu eni obe wo ma na ọmọ emeta ya be yo we fie pile o gi ma we mi na ya do lewoji ama we aye kina na wina na be ri ye ba eyi ono ama we aye a be ri ye ba okay. So today, ina we need to go behind because any year you're in a tuto sanu dazi or what we make a fei don't level na guayemina a sovie bolawa a soma temata and you have a lele pistoki nana douna a pistoki beleku a pistoki wayo a pistoki go a peace talk alalobo a peace talk ni yawe ewe we cover program only a peace talk e mana me yana gana e minitana e mana me yana be ribude nesta e topaji bi ayona esta e topaji yere ni adomu peace when we settle ona do gwayo we settle eyi mebeta mesta e topaji a problem here maybe a don't movie industry no way I'm more free because you never manipulate on be bani that man represent there here when no food area agunye when you go e mala menu here do na you put the near near to be honest that no food area agunye aro we yan with social media na me yan with a don't movie na me yan have a fie be yeva so e me na you put the near ọ̀rẹ́ èmi nọ máa lánàá náà wọ dọ́lẹ̀bù ẹ̀mí dẹ́sítà dọ́pá yìí ọ̀wẹ́ dọ́lẹ̀bù èmi nọ máa ń fact ọ̀wọ́ dọ́lẹ̀bù ní ọmọ awé mi dàn nọ́nà òní ìwàwé social media president ènìyàn ní àmọ́ òfurufú ní àmọ́ peace náwó ní àmọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ èmi nọ máa dẹ́sítà dọ́pá but dẹ́sítà dọ́pá yìí wẹ̀yí rẹ̀ àwa dọ́lọ̀ yẹ kẹ́nu wẹ̀kẹ́ pa ǹdáwé there don't movie industry there is a problem there there is what we call division segregation among you people. So I want you to go back home and amend the holes that for me to see you people are in good terms. Ma mi ewu wa ni bu wa ekube wa ni wa ma kube. So wa ma kube. So ma ona kube no be ke buwe unda eri no manu we una we la mu akube ye du mo fi social media press be enoge. Where are you wa uwe tie manu wa gbagwe ya ma edere video ma ya uwe wa ya ma kube nuwa yi tun nuwa yi on nuwa yi wezo ma be tawe yes Esther way a perfect work or sellable or we dollar or isowa ona be Ethiopia to oni agbagwi we ni awa dollar ni ma ere dollar pepeye dollar igo dollar sedime dollar na ya lo popa on egeni me to be me idorie ekpome kakabwewe Esther who got 100% clean mind from FA Bright we had to talk show for emi no we una emi on dollar no we una me mai so gamu ani aya gun no wa gi agun abi ma ya dollar we ma ya gbo ba dollar wo ji e o eke ni ma ma kugbe ma mi emi no sunle social media na okay uwe wa kugbe ni nia na dumo pibe enoge wore tamiawe enoge bonu yunu we regeni Duma no e we no send e boni e mi begbe. Unda ve bonega ve. O tem en aga trap. E ye dumo pi be tem en aga ta. E yo be ve bonega ve. So undonna menu ye do na ya Bible. Ina do ya ribude. Ne timani pia neni no presenter. That way a settlement ni a uno de. Ya we for ni a ladia ni a return bo ni a tie negbe. And so ya wanyo negbe ne ebani ya ni buna wiu. Ebani na ge pokio. That my send e bo wuwa wi ana. Oh, these people refuse to return the cost. They refuse to return the cost, and they are drinking, they are chopping pursuit, they are chopping me. You are hitting the causes, you are hitting the damages, you are hitting the sacrilege. Automatically, the taboo, automatically, you feed on it. Wait, what the Binico feed on it. Automatically, you are guilty. The cause we said, you make a cause, you swear with your mouth. If I dare make a peace, if anybody coming for peace, if my father in the grave, you make that cause, you make a decree, and you make a decree, and you think, oh, during that declaration, you place a cause upon yourself, you place a cause upon people that want to make peace. Automatically, you went ahead and make the peace without reversing the cause. What do you think you are doing? What do you think you are doing? You are placed causes upon yourself. Today, I came to advise you people. They should go and revise those courses. It is very good to forgive. He said the greatest thing in life is the act of forgiveness. And during that forgiveness, when you place a cause, revise the cause, it's in the Bible. He said, what are we saying about generation causes? He said, they forgive. Watch the Olu of what he said during when he came into a throne. The Olu of what we make a parable. He said, in time of social, this is what happened. He said, they have never revised the clause and never revised it. He said, that is the problem. But now he want to revise the causes because you know they place a cause and they did not revise the cause and they settle and they forget that they place a cause and the cause that came and be affecting them. That is the same thing, the advice I am passing to Enoge, I am passing to Edumofi. The cause both of you made with your man. I want you both to revise those courses. Say, I return those courses. Cause will not be upon yourself. Cause will not be upon those who came to make peace. And cause will not be upon your generation. You people need to revise our courses. Very, very, very important. Now, what you people say with your man. This one swear. This one swear. So today, I can't make una understand. Say, make una revise the courses. Because automatically, both of una, they place curse upon our generation. So my people, so that peace not be genuine peace, that peace na fake peace. That peace na fake peace. And they tell now that peace I not call her without they not revise course. No. That peace, they should revise the course. They do well. See, they don't forgive each other, may they come and revise the course. So that all the witches and wizards will say accept, because he say accept, they return the courses. Because at this point in time, the witches and wizards, they never return the courses. The ancestors, they watch. The gods, they don't want to swear those calls. Una ancestors, they say accept put. Men and women, where they watch, they say accept put. The gods, they say accept put. The king of the ocean say accept put. The king of the air say accept put. The king of the night say accept put. The king of the day say accept put. The king of the hill say accept put. The king of the valley say accept put. So what are we both saying? So I want to let people understand one thing. All these things, what una they do, una they take and they bring una self down. And they include myself. All these things where we dey do so, we dey use and bring ourselves down if we no dey stand for truth. If we no stand to make a genuine peace, if we no come to make a genuine peace, the art of forgiveness. They say the art of forgiveness na it supersede is one thing wey good. But when we see say the art of forgiveness not there, we not do the art of forgiveness, automatically we fuck up. That is why we need to do what we call the art of forgiveness. So, Enogie, please, I dey beg you, no make a control to akpabioy. So it is time for you to come mad. Say the curse where you curse with your mouth, the curse where you swear to yourself with your mouth, return the curses. And return the curse where you swear to who go make peace. And return the curse so that make peace really continue. And the curse when I swear for back, I want to take you shoulder and go babalawo put. Make una call the babalawo may return the curses, may revise them. Because the babalawo swear for back, where two of una do, and where two of una come out in the night, swear for each other. Make una come out same night, go return the curse. Make una come out same day, go return the curse. Make una call babalawo back chikimona, go return the curse. Now so peace say the rain, una swear, una go drink together now, but na never return the curse, so the curse dey vex, so e dey look una, e dey tell una say una using say him be baby, una think say him be mumu. The cause tell una say una be baby, una be mumu, una no understand o. Na the cause dey talk o. He say who cause wey no come return the cause, he dey call, he dey smile, he dey celebrate, he say he don settle. But where the altar of death, the altar of setback, the altar of frustration, where una take each other name go, make una go to those altar, go revise the cause, make peace reign, make God see am, say una really forgive, make God see say na the peace, so that God go grant am favor for both of una. And that's why I want make it be. Now I can't tell you now today. Not be scared. People go say no. I don't want to call each of una for bad. Now I make a your call. Say no. This video I go do one openly for Enogie and Edumofin. So that made them know. Two of them miss it. For come and let us know. Say they don't return. They don't return the curses. We not see the curses. What do we see? Say they don't forgive each other. Una forgive. What about the curse? Una only return to the curses of una mother. Now una do. Una only apologize to una mama for the video. Una do. Una apologize to una mama. Ijeme egwi o poni ijoma na egwi. Now una do. This one apologize to this one mother. This one apologize to me mama. What about the curse? Una play for una self? Una two mama don't old. Una two mama don't old. Una two mama you don't old. Una never return una curses. Una say una forgive. Una go about una mama. Una mama don't old. Return your curse so that may you live long. Return your curse. May not be generation curses, because the curse one has for myself. It not go be for una mama. It not be affect una mama. Una mama where she dey go na any pass. Because una mama don't do it all. He don't born una. He don't see great grandchildren. Una mama want depart at the appropriate time when God will call her. But una just dey start una life. And una place the curse with una mouth. And it go start with una to generation. So that is why I want to make una return the curse when una swear to each other. So that may peace stay between una. And they see una Ijeme. Una not talk una want to swear for una self. Una place cause. Una never return the cause when una swear for una own self. Where be say go be budging, it go be setback, it go lead to frustration. Good morning, Comedy King of us. So all those people wanga peri Tony, of course. I know. So you understand? I don't want God to say and say why waiting on. He says for me, I don't have this thing. So make una go with good morning. Comedy King of Bass, good morning. Comedy King of Bass, they call you that day. That time you not pick my call. I been 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks. For message, I call. You don't pick my call. But 3 weeks ago, now I call you, you don't pick. I come the king of bass. Call you for message, I say you must kill. No reply my call again. So my people, so good morning, preacher of me. Una too call Vicky Padamo. Thank you. Both of una insulted una self too much. Una insulted una self too much. Make una return the castle. So I make peace day. Now that one, I mean your day after. If una return the cause, make peace day. And as social media president, my advice to you, you say you forgive presenter. That now lie. I know you, me. I don't know you. Where I forgive when you get one thing where I don't notice you, you forgive. Why genuine forgive, partial forgive, we forgive on my here where on the social media president. That way, who will keep it? You keep you the friend one mistake with that person you do, you take this one. I know you work. I don't know people where they wash, where they read, they say, I'll forgive person. I know so well. We are who woman now. How when you will be this one, man, where money. Social media president, man, that one. If you say, because you do always remember what the person do to you. You do always remember. You are somebody I know. You don't fully have the heart of forgiveness, but you have a kind heart to help people. You can help people. You can stand to help people. But when person do something, it's difficult for you to forgive easily. You keep it. You say I forgive you, smile, but you will keep on because you say this person go do on that thing. You take blast on. I don't see on many times where they do that kind of thing. So that kind of thing, you need to remove on for your spirit. As a leader, where you call yourself, you go remove that kind of thing. Say that spirit where be say, for me, I don't get it my for that person. I don't forgive. I don't forgive. I forgive my fully. But when you say you forgive, you they get on that thing for man. Say this person wait till talk. I go keep and wait on. I'll take deal with him tomorrow. You might say you forgive my life. So now you they forgive now. Every yes they say you will forgive our presenter. You they forgive them. So you need to come and know you say forgive. If you want forgive, make this forgiveness sweet as a leader. Come out, forgive everybody will be scared it really offend you. Forgive millions of people, and the one where you offend, you see ask them, may they forgive you. Stand. You scream what he said to move talk. He said, Peter Moore don't say he forgive, but make that presenter stay away from me. I know it. Now so, as the be scared, he stay away from me. And no get scared one word. He never returned the call. He just yesterday, I look and he say, a pala will beg you more. Fine, not be bad thing. Or more we have a good here $1. But when my return for new venue, I will buy God father way. A more time we got who tear ball. No, I will buy God father way. Una vem ball. Una wonona. But when you the go anywhere, pala we beg you with God father way. Once of my way a book up on it here. Near that way God father way. He send a bonny o. The one now who I send a bonny with pala we beg you with bear some more. Ìyá ìyàwó mi enoge who wà ládàwẹ̀ ìfọ̀là ìsẹ́nìẹ̀bọ̀ ni ùmá ìsẹ́nìẹ̀bọ̀ my dear ìrọ̀rọ̀ wà náà settle ẹ̀ ti máa gbé ìmọ̀gọ́gọ́ yọ but wà náà tó pàbíọ̀ ẹni náà ti àpàbíọ̀ ẹ̀ mẹ́gùjì ẹ̀bọ̀ ni wà fẹ́ wà bíọ̀ ẹ̀ wà return ẹ̀ ẹni mẹ́ pátá ẹ̀bọ̀ ni èsùn lè gbúgbà. Dáwọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ omi wà ní ìyó nèmi mánu wà because kọ̀ọ̀rọ̀ mánu wà rọ̀rọ̀ náà nímẹ̀ dáwọ́ ẹ̀ tí lè gbà ní yóò bọ̀ sí bú wà wà ẹ̀ wù mẹ́ dá mí ẹ̀ náà jó bọ̀ mà sọ́pì sọ̀nà bọ́ ẹsẹ̀ àmì ẹ̀ náà jó bọ̀ mà So that is it. Oh, yeah, me do tell me now na. Oh, biabo social media president I do it also. Ibude yare na. Idori bude. No eke na be tame enwa ebe do yare. Na miere no man we no money me no money my representer eije. Nuwe lao. Nuvie owerie. Nuame onoma. Na ya drolo no go agui my ya fair representer. Good morning, devils as well. No na. Honorary because if you no soon na, he must stand your he was stand your time. A piece can no soon na a piece go. A piece on adogwa a piece ego no. Because a piece go where man me a piece go na in a piece go. A piece go a piece a la lobo. Because when I send you, when I'm send you, a peace can la lobo. Because that peace you know what away while return the courses, while my return the course. Only a piece of money go no only you go only on my you go for me go here do them God forbid. When we done. Wow. Wow. Oh, what came out the level? Not a peace making. Wagenia, emi no sum le wani. Me mie, amawe, agwa, but ama seni ye, iyen watiene bugwa. Wa seni yeni. Ani me gwalo, iyeni, gwalo. Wama eskeni yeni, ani na me leba tamawe. So nuwe, ni mamion dolo owo. Evani na me ribude ne estadokpaji kakabo. Ibude ni ye ne estadokpaji na. Iya ribude ne no pa bovere na. Ove we peace nu wa me no ke. Eda e peace o mi no. Eda e peace pepe ye no. Oda e peace papa wanga no. Oda e peace wayo no. Oda e peace ala lobo no. So pa otamuwa wa return e boni. Yega ire so wa ga re so e do no baje e do baji. Oya ti o pe ati oku o. No ire na ti e do movie industry. Because my name presenter my egi mu amere bani. My egi sorry bani. My egi ya fi egbe yeva. O kamiya ni ewu o ya bome. No wiye o no ye ya boe. Ni my egi a peace or ori webo sisi. Ona we webo sowa. But so what you know? Ya go biawo wo Esther talk Esther e dokpadi na do tame. I present anywhere. Where? Wa dollar, wa peace, wa dollar, ye o dollar, you don't peace in wa automatically. Wa no wa musiri o sere to wa peace. O na do yi dari ta we ya wa ma enegbe. Do wa ma enu wa na. Yan ri do what kan le bo yo. But manare wa ka kun ayo wa ma rie magun ayo on our way ma wo kun ma because my pepe wa ye ri re ne and why one of the gun music industry ni asun wa ika na pa Emmanuel social media president noge why he Benin movie industry emi asun because he had no way peace in wife na wife ma ti wa e can no way peace yo yan ya do unu wa na esta do pa yo do unu wa na automatically nyori on what time why Godfather why ijo owa you godmother wa mo tak mo ri gie your godmother wa no I'm your alright godmother man I'm your alright godmother no one godmother I'm your osunu na ma we ma adorable ma we ma with peace ma we ma gwaye presenter emi asu a movie industry ma gwayo ma me no eke ma gwayo so te drop up e don say na ma ori se gbo wa ni apa mama ti se to wa mama ti we dole bo yo so you there na automatically who are fight boa me to be mo wa ta wa fight boa ela lo bigo igo ela lo bigo ti oni ela lo bigo yes now Oscar and the peace in your mind male present my team with peace in wa and yegire ala do wo dole bo nu wa obe ya be bani ina le pon me yo obe wo ton le bo yo udege so bi abo ko no iwe ni gi wa nu wa be de na iyo boni wa idegbe kan wa ya do aseto Benin movie industry neta wa ya tun ayo unda Benin movie industry a singer edopari odun mu episin wa ifa yan do wo dole bo yo yan do mu episin yo wa ma wu wa te si mi osere do wa o na kugbe arima but my name presenter my tamuwa so me again wa fight go on so automatically menu ye do time de na we odoleboni ma gwa lo keke no be me ya je ma honest adopaji na ma be mi eri yobo no una mo na etige ona do mu social media president ona do mu enoge ona do mu enoge wan do shla ona do mu yebe social media do setun ya do amakugbe a do mi orowo ma po mo ere wa ni ma po mo sta adopaji wo ni kakabo ma wa po mo we uye are wa bo so pon pa no ake apakon ma ake atamo ma re bi go ma wa kara we gbe mo na e mi be wa wi ma èmi aro re gbe ma ma ezabo kaya pa wi ma un ta we market amo o ma re isan oro a o market amo ma wunu e gbe ma yu mi ma o ge gbe ma lo ni ma re de ori ma re wi a ma re tori ma wi a ma ti tan ma ni we o wi a e ba ni na le ba ri bude na next atopaji uwi obono ma na ni ane ma po me we ni ka guero so mo pa no where is credo no baje utie musician wa ba me muame nu wa ba on utie actress wa ba gwi nu mo dolebo odoloyo nu wa aku ni ma be mi re video wa settle ne because my own said yo where Edo movie industry who are if you gbe iye wa ala ya mi na ti group 1 group 2 group 3 wa genia wa ya ma ku gbe Edo movie industry ma mi e kakabo wa ye bo le gbu wa ven ma mi e kakabo wa ye akon ro le tu wa ma mi e kakabo we eso feri kebe so ma mi e kakabo eso shine so ma mi e kakabo wa wi obo megbe ma o na mi ege extra do padu wa iso wa venu ve uwe webo where iso wa uti ya fe uti abi ko no be sto when we mi onu we ga be we wa la ije wa egui ije no we ga be we wa la esa egui uwe tie yan we do ba ke no do wa mi uti ya tukugbe ezona uma no we asunu uwe mi we aje we bo undu ni we nu we nji we bo no ba we bo ni bi edo kena na la miere ibi edo ni re si ni re diaspora umo pro ye wa ina re zuwe we ga re skedo often we mu yo ya go ko kakabo fiya but we be ari edo mu ya mu adolo ye Edo movie industry kere the musician ni ma mi akugbe wituwa okay oni magwalo esta dopaji who I wanna ya then it do rate you well a woman of wisdom it do rate you well we uya ogele ya uwe ni tama okay so udona matama we peace nu ni na e peace ni nu ni uwe se so ponpa we dole Edo movie industry jinima ni ma mewa ya makugbe and la o esta o mai pa uyere je mi rani When they moving now, iya meba tamia. When ya send your bonia train a biya. Edumopi kebe no ge bonia train. Nana miege ya go be biya vie gbeg biya. Jore egeni mwane na roto ni askan your boni. Akewani me pa ni ave kema no de no ge. Ale le Edumopi on. When they no get na do adeba the more people that way social media na do right eva e no get be clear all the time we agree all the via kukugbe wala all the settle Edumopi with here Edumopi be team no dey by here let no get all when you join me during the fight between me and the no get as far me with the no get don't settle please my sister my brother forgive a no get. Let's reconcile. Let me reconcile you and Enoge. Enoge will still call the people. Say you. Now because of me. Now you they fight Edumopi. You know like because of me. Enoge will say call the people. See call and say please forgive Edumopi. May we all reconcile. Make I put you to conference. Now so I say make it be. Because during this crisis we still waiting happen. Social media share it to some follow Edumopi. Some follow Enoge. Those people now, before the reconciliation, as a good leader, Enoge supposed to call his fans. He go speak out, say, yes, I want to reconcile with my godfather. Now, I want to eventually to apologize to all my fans. He go apologize to all his fans. When he fight for that, make it not take, they say there not be anything. Because these fans stood by you. In times of pain, in times of sorrow, in times of deep going pain, you go apologize to all your fans. My fans, I am sorry. I want to make peace with social media president. Enoge did not do that. And social media president did not do that. They go come and say, we want to make peace, so I beg. You go do that thing. Everybody will take care. But now, I know some of Edumopi fans go to invest. Some of Enoge fans go there. Based on scale, it don't make them become enmity. For this trees to rain, all these things will not to make una come out, apologize to una fans, and make una return the cost una place upon una self. Okay? So today, I can't make everybody know. Based on saying, na me be who hear don't touch on. So una no respect una fans. Social media president no respect his fans. Enoge no respect his fans. If you ask why they call a governor who no respect the citizen, you no respect the people who in the guide. If you respect your fans, you respect your citizen, you go call them, your followers say, for you come up a video. All my fans, please, I want to apologize. I want to revise the cause I placed upon myself. You apologize, say the cause where you cause, you are free from those causes, and you return it back to the devil. And because we not affect you, will not affect me, will not affect my generation, will not affect those who came to want to make peace, you go come and you go do those things. You go apologize. You not do it. So now, since you don't go come forward, the peace already, all you have to do is to come and apologize to your fans, apologize to the fans, and ask for what? The ancestor to forgive for the cause you made, and make two of una call una mama, una don't forgive each other, and make peace reign. Not be bad thing Esther do. We appreciate Esther. Say Esther, I can make peace. She show a leader. She show a leader. Yes. Esther, you show say you be leader, you do a good work there. For you to come out to make peace for two of them. Because we wait there, we not make peace for them. You know why we not make peace and we not give them money? Because we not give two of them money, they not go accept our peace. Benos, can you come now? You don't give them lalobo, they go accept your peace. And you try, whether you give them lalobo, you not give them lalobo. The most important thing when we talk, you make peace. Anywhere peace come, now peace everyone. The art of forgiving everyone. So Esther, you do well, God will bless you. But you also go do your way I send you. You try. For that peace where you do, you try. Hey, what is that? Hey, Mona, hold on. What is that? Sorry. a second, sorry, meet mama. Honey, no, why, come. No chair, no chair. Close the door for me, honey. Close the door. Wait till they come. Mona, wait a second. What do you want? What is that? What is that? Close the door. Get chair, come on, no chair. So my people, now I be waiting. I can't talk so that make everybody understand waiting at the talk about. So make this peace, make so that we will see a permanent peace. So my people, I don't talk. Oh, those who have here, let them hear. My advice now for them be this. So I can't pass this good advice. Make social media president make a return the cost wey place upon a no-gay, make a no-gay return the cost wey place upon social media president, and make their two wives return each other courses, so that we go know say that is a genuine peace. But without they never return those courses, and then they drink, they eat, they eat sweat, they eat courses, because they never revise, and the spirit wey they laugh. You say you two are playing with me. You place a curse on yourself. You the spirit. So make una go revise those courses. So my people, I come pass this advice to both of them. Una where they see waiting at the talk. So I talk like wrong, I talk well. I want to hear from the congregation. Did I spoke well? I want to let una know I talk well or I talk bad. The I waiting I tell them, so may they go return the course when they place upon each other. Now, bad thing I talk, I want to hear from the masses. I want to hear from the masses. If I talk truth, give me love and give me life. I talk truth. When I say yes, if I talk truth, now I say yes. So I made them return the courses where they place. I made them apologize to their fans, because they take their fans for granted. Make una tell me, I talk lie or talk truth. I want to hear from una. I talk truth. I want to know people who say me they eat cause. I want to know people who say me they don't eat cause. I lie, I talk truth. I talk truth. So can Rita, John, Edo, Greta. So that is why I want people ask whether I talk truth or I talk lie. So because they need to return the call. Joy Thomas go bring myself saying the truth. Sandra Sage, give me hand. So those giving me love, thank you. Give me life. So we need to score the truth, a spade, a spade. They should return the cause, and so that we will see the truth, and make them know say, here my ear, akpavioe. So my people, now my message, we are going to give them today. And I believe, say, Brambella, yes, thank you. Yes. So may I be the message, don't give them today. If Esther, don't you go out, Thomas, you will give love, David Osai say I talk truth. Yeah, just I talk truth. So make it go make it go with Esther, don't you go settle with people. Thank you, though is great. Say yes, you are the truth. So the rest people, how they write whether I talk truth. The rest people, how they write whether I talk truth, I talk lie. David Osai say yes. Brambella say yes. The rest people don't go whether I talk truth. These people place course on themselves. They never revise the courses. I want make them revise the courses so that make peace deal with them. I want make love deal with them. So I made them revise the courses. I made them say yes. So they never revise the courses. Then when they swear and then they celebrate. When you favor party say yes, it's true. They never revise and then they celebrate. They need to revise those courses so that make the course not come upon the lovely Monica say yes. Gladys say yes. Rita John say yes. So now be the thing. David Osa say yes. So those come from now because we need to call a spade a spade. So now be the thing. don't get me say, pa, you talk to. So, Humble Vivian Monkai, he say you are very right, sir. So today, I can't deliver my message. Those who have here, let them hear. So, social media president and Enioge is priceless. Please, I want you people to revise the course and let peace reign. And I use this media, Mary Woman say yes, and I use this media to speak. Let's say I hope my now make people know where my phone. So I want make you know say today now day where be say pikin say yes. So where be say today I want make peace day. May we see joy among presenter. And now this one still tell social media president David Osase want making not the use okay yo worry all those things make you move mind against anybody. Good morning, Julia Johnson. Good morning. Good morning, Efe. Did you not watch the video that they made? The vote yesterday when Esther was saying Epa come to her party and speak for her, and Esther said she went to Epa house. He went to Epa house, and the pastor gave her. Pastor gave her money, and she said, "At the pastor." So now that one they talk here, they talk about peace. Yeah? Julia Johnson, I don't want to talk here. And they talk about peace. And they talk about say yes, I go the mafia I give her money. Now that one they talk here. And they talk about this thing. Now I'll be back comment where they come here, come they see another thing. So I don't deliver my message today. And may God bless everybody. I want to make peace, make it rain among everybody, among we presenter. But peace go reign among we presenter. And that peace, when person don't push you, don't lie for your head. Even though the same woman not the cause that you live on, but not neck close to her again. As me be. Iyan zu oni yari ba gbogbo yan me. Ega me ye me ni wi mo de. Iyan we David naga u no ri o ma no rojo o. David naga u no ri o ma no rojo o. Uga bi ọmọ mu ne, uga bo wa mu ne, uga di moto mu me ma me to ye gbovo. Vaga u no ri o ma no rojo o. David naga u, David naga u, David naga u no ri o ma no rojo o. Uga di moto mu ne, uga do wa mu ne, uga bi ọmọ ja ne ma me to ye gbovo. David naga u no ri o ma no rojo o. You know why I sing this music? Social media, so where we see anyone will come up for some presenter man use and get sense. As me I be so, I not be fool. If you wire me the way I can for social media, I get where you talk, I'll laugh. I can never we settle, I can never play down with you, I can never eat with you. I'm not stupid. All my friends knows me to be that. You cannot, I cannot go there. Me might like the way. Why I sing this music? Those of now when me with now they call for social media. When don't carry my name, go to get a mute to an office settle on my way. I tell now. Me I not be other people. My head settle. He might come here with them, man, with them. He got me old grammar, me old grammar. I want not buy my organ. I had bomb. I want to go and say. I go and say. Then he measure my hands. Can it? Agua. Equalo. Come, David, business. I can never settle with stainless. With stainless. Say, now stainless, you want to say Stella. Say, please, my brother, go and settle with stainless. Me settle with stainless. You look me like person where they use money back to settle with person. God forbid. Me never Ekpa. Or maybe no matter and I settle. Or man go beyond. He settle with I not be a Ekpa. What Yes, I don't tell you my name now. You say me, you hear from my mouth. Me, we can't say peace is good. I know they settle with stainless. I know they settle with stainless. I know they settle with bling bling. I know we settle with traitor. I know we settle with person who like money. I know they settle with person who complete vandalize. I know they settle with erosion product. I know they settle with a person who don't condemn. I know they settle with person who don't get future, don't get dream from, where not get anything who help me. I know they settle with person who don't get advice who want give me. I know they settle with rat. I know they settle with which way just way condemn na it be. Which way don't know ourselves. So if you may not put that name here, I can't make peace, not me say I don't know what they do, say I can't give the advice. But me, I know they settle with her. Now write that name get for here. Near to so my don't try that you look me like you hear say I be lazy man. Who say I say kill a dog who yago who say I say kill a dog who yevani. Àwọn tí a ló parí kẹwé yìí máa forgive he máa settle ní màá bá kún ní màá gbọ́ kẹ́kẹ́ ní màá go sẹ́lẹ̀ we like your boss he settle with us Ọ̀sánlópọ̀ ẹ̀rí he settle with ẹ̀ Ọ̀sánlópọ̀ máa settle with ẹ̀ soon up this show ẹ̀ soon there are people God said you can forgive there are people God can place a cause eternity cause. So after I say in fact all of people like this would have been piri. So after that make me laugh. You look me like I settle with Ade Kolo. I'll be Kolo mental. Don't do that for my platform again. Settle with you. May settle with a stainless. Nonsense. One man more show what to my wife. Don't show that again. You look me. I not talk to person. You come and become money. Ilalobo. Don't try that thing with me. Oh. You say I say Gila Obuyawo. Don't try that thing with me. Oh. If you my way on my way, I settle. I wait till my baby has on bar. My way settle. I am not I'm with my Maria on bar. Or you my boss settle. Nonsense. I am not a stupid man. I'm a woman with wisdom. I not be man. Not be man. I not be man. We don't know what they do. Ega mo tell me man. What be man? Omo normal. Na ya ge omo. And I remember my professor, Professor Philip Campbell, University of Benin, those days when we did school. He said, when a word is uttered from a man, he said, go indoor in a silent place in the night, think about the merit and the demerit, and know what is he or she insinuating, what does it mean? If she's planning evil against you, or what does that mean? And if you know that person is evil, say deviate and run away from that man or that woman. Do not go closer. If you go closer, you will fall yourself in a pit. I am not that stupid. I am a man with dignity. Don't just count what for year ago. I be real man. Anything we man see, now they face, now they bear. I not go settle with my enemy, make it come kill me. Never in my life. I can't try it. Person do one, you forgive. He do two, you forgive. He go do three, you see stay with person. So we know they settle with those kind of person. So me, I know they settle with anybody. I know you make my peace. Anybody will want to kill me. You say I settle with person where I see say want to kill me. Now wicked though. You wicked though. I go see person want to kill me. He want to kill my wife. You say I'll settle with that person. You wicked though. Instead of you to pray fair, if you get out to shoot that person, if you get out to shoot them, you carry the arrow. This is my enemy, but they pray spirit in the night. They all call that name. You carry arrow, shoot that name. I'll be done. Done. I not be I can't can't give their advice, may they know their mistake, may they go and make their way. Now I can't give them. I don't be a hit by him, man. Look at here, I don't be a hit by. I know they do that to you. Temptation no me we be assume temptation way. You know, escape me. I can't go join, can't go deal with all, can't they set to go deal with evil people. So you understand? Beyonce Smith, you see, say with the so I be weird though. I they speak for I know they support anybody. We see street whether now we see you see me that person. I they speak for justice. I be man always come for myself. I not be person where they I stand neutral. That is why I be weird though. All the presenter, make I let you understand. All the presenter, I said, those to me, I am the uyedo. Uyi no redo. But now me be their respect. So anything they talk, when I talk is final. Anything they talk, I they answer. You don't see where king talk. You can't see rats, can't see they talk. Or rabbit one can't talk. King don't yarn. So as far as the uyedo, I am the uyedo. Now the ancestors bless me with that name. And I see the Aria Bible. You see the name where the ancestors take bless me. Uyedo talk show. Aria Bible. So what do you think? I dey stand for truth. I know they support any presenter. Come and speak the truth. I will tell you where you wrong, where you are not wrong. I know they support evil. I stand for truth because he said the end shall tell. Okay, that is why I stand for truth. You scream as an uyedo. You see anything where they don't pronounce as all the king as for the Bini, they can't go out judge on place causes on Ijore. You see, say I support Ijore one day. You just say I use my mind, say I support Ijore because Ijore the place cause upon her in our kingdom. Pass everywhere. So that kind of person, I not be support, I not be come the present. So me, I not the present, I not be mumu. Ilele do, ilele. I not be other presenter where become money don't praise Ijore. I not be musician where become money go call Ijore, praise Ijore. Nonsense. I know the truth because Ijore has been person where the ancestors don't place curse upon. When they for everywhere for Benin because he talk with you, he don't supposed to talk. So I am Uyedo. I want to ask you, Juliet, I'll reply you. Johnson, Juliet, Johnson, if I know I'm Uyedo, can I make select with Sailors? Johnson, good morning, Bobby. Juliet Johnson, I want to ask you for you to know, can a king make settlement with a rebel or intruder, rather he place a curse upon the intruder? A king does not make settlement with a rebel or an intruder. A king, you don't see what they happen. The one we want claim to claim the Okiame, you see what they happen to them? You see anything settlement there? No. You don't make settlement with evil people. You place curse upon evil people. You cannot tell me to see an evil genius as a king to settle with evil genius. Rather, we preach to my great Edo people to beware of some of these evil Judas. So I answer your message as the Uyedo. I am the great Uyedo. I read your Bible. Any Kauya with me. Ejedo ya with me. Obalam ya with me. Obaston ya with me. So what are you going to say? So my people, I know they do. I stand as my Uyedo, and I don't revise my statement. I stand for waiting I know. where the Benin culture say make we follow. Okay? So my people, I don't stand. I talk within a 1 year. I know this one. If I say person carry my name go square for buy, you say me I can't make people person carry my name go square and you want keep my enemy. Like if the day we swear the swear, my enemy come down, come. You can't say that person since God keep me alive. You say me I can't make peace with that person. God forbid. The Bible is scared the enemy you know is better than the one you don't know. The one you know, you deviate from that person. You scare. You scare. You see. So you see. If I dey tell you, I'm not gonna take my word. All those peace where you see say they are make na peace of condition. Condition. I beg you. I don't know. I know as I can't come out for this peace. Then people go verse for me. Now me, now them know. He talk women no. I don't talk the peace. And Nika no screen. I talk the truth. Who go say wetin I talk? E no sweeter. Make na him know. I live on with the gods because I don't speak my mind. The gods are wise. I stand as the Concubine master who here do talk show. The Area Bible, aka the husband to us single mother, aka the ambassador of Benin culture. Dot single mother must marry. That is me. Single mother, they not praise me this period now. I know they discover them again. They not praise me. They know they say, daddy, you be our husband. So I'm the husband to our single mother. So that is me. So today, I don't tell now the truth. Today, I want to break this news to now make you understand. If you dey fight for palace, when you are fighting for palace, don't liaise with those that they are placed a curse upon in the land. When the land places a curse upon someone, do not praise that person, do not dine with that person, do not eat with that person. Watch the history of the Great Benin Empire. When somebody is being banished from a land or a curse is placed on someone on the land, everybody will deviate with that person. A true indigene of Benin Kingdom will not liaise with that person. A true indigene of Benin Kingdom will not interact with that same person, will not eat with that person, will not dine with that person, will not take anything with that person until the only advice we do with that person, we tell the person to go and apologize and do the normal rituals so that the person will be forgiven and can be with the person. I am a true indigene of Benin Kingdom. I am an Uyado talk show. I know what I will do. I know what not to do. Those companies where Ijore and Uyimofi, now you all know fully where they swear for the whole street for. So those two people, I cannot liaise with them. I cannot eat with them. I cannot call them. I cannot go to their home. Ijore and Uyimofi. So those two people, I don't eat with them. I can't dine with them. I can't communicate with them. I can't talk with them. I am not stupid. Normal omo. So I don't let you know. So those two people are the great enemies to our land, where we know for social media, and where they don't deceive many people. That is Joey Salt and Water Ministry and Uyimofi. Now we see two of them. Now those two people. Now the place goes around the whole corner of Edo. The place goes on them. So if you don't know the meaning of that courses, you go ask for our parents. They go to any place they pass, enter Benin, they swear for them. All corner, they swear for center. Now know the meaning of that course. So people don't understand. Listen, the ancestors see those who are fighting a just cause for the land. The ancestor see those who are fighting a just cause for the land of the Benin Empire. The ancestor see those who are fighting a laudable fight. The ancestor see those who are not fighting the right cause, just cause for the land, who are not fighting a just cause, who are not fighting for peace to remain in the land. The ancestors is looking at them. So I stand for truth because the gods are wise. Watch and remember. I remember Sheol brother or Shakespeare. Whatever you are doing, do it well. You think those in Benin doesn't know what they are doing. They see those that are fighting a just cause. They see those that are lying. They see those that are fighting a laudable fight. But they keep quiet. They are watching. Use your sense. So my people, I want you all to understand this thing. Today is a great day. A day assigned by the ancestor, by the gods, that we are Dr. Shoari Bible. We come out to speak to people. But it's been long that people have seen me talking on social media, whether yesterday and today. But today, I've come out to pass my advice to the people. And I stand by my motive and by the reason of my coming out today that Enogi, good morning, Glory Cynthia, and Edumorphy should come out and return and revise the courses they place on each other. That is how the peace will be justified. Without both of them revising the courses, the peace is not justified. It's not assigned by the gods. It's not assigned by the ancestor because it's what we call a Pepeye peace. Both of them need to come out and do what? And call and come out on social media and say the cause where they use their mouth swear for their self. Say they will never settle. You will never be my godfather. I will never be your godfather. At this way, so those causes will not swear, will not revise out, will not return out to the devil. If not, the gods, say, na never settle. So as now don't settle, make na come revise the cause we kuna use na mouth talk, so that the ancestor will protect una, he will guide una, he will bless una all, because the ancestor as the eyes of the gods. He say make I come tell una, say una swear for each other when una dey quarrel, and that swear una never return am. He say make una return am before una come dey talk about that peace, and una come out with peace without una no revise the swear. Una swear so una no go this one, no go, but una no revise the swear. He say he give una now make una revise the swear before una go dey say I don't know. Na for una benefit o. Now I come talk na true. I don't talk. The gods are wise. May God bless the washer. May God bless the sharer. Happy Saturday and happy weekend. I love you all. I love you all. I remain your husband. I remain your father. I remain your brother. I remain your friend. I remain a shepherd and a leader of what? With quality of leadership. I am the man who stand with the quality of leadership. I stand. So I stand for justice, for transparency, for love, for unity, for equal rights and social justice. I am the one, a fake bride, that came with a name given by the ancestors who hear the talk show. Ivy Bible, aka the Kokobere Master. Dr. Osman to all single mother. I love you all. And Osman to all lovely single mother. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day. The great ambassador. May God bless you all. May God bless those who watch and those who share. Remember, I will always be coming out on my new page, Area Bible page. Please remember to follow me on Area Bible page. I'm coming out with my new page, which is I'll be using on my platform now, Area Bible. I'll be using Area Bible for now. I'm still using Uyado Talk Show page, but I will be using Area Bible for now. I know people have not been streaming for a long time, but I want your thank you, Sylvia, DM on her. That is my lovely Sylvia. Long time, DM on her. I love you too, my darling sister Sylvia. I love you. So remember, Sylvia, I love you. So I remember Julia Johnson, I love you. So I want you all to remember, always follow me at Area Bible page. I am back with Area Bible page, and I'm back with what? Area Bible page. I will be coming out with Area Bible page for now. I want to leave the other talk show page is there, but now always follow me at Area Bible. I'll be coming out on Area Bible page. That is my new page. And as you do and follow me and share, God bless you. I love you all, my beautiful sister and my handsome man. May God bless you, my handsome brother. Love you all. Love you all. God bless you. Enjoy your weekend. God bless you. I love you. Kiss. Love you all. Bye. Ciao.